1 mole of this.
Taping?
No.
Oh, so just like flashing.
I don't know why it would flash.
Oh, well, it's flashing.
I don't know why it's flashing. There's no zoom? What? The fuck? Tissue. Hickey, come here. Can I see your head, man? That's what she said. Your vagina. Stop smiling for a picture. It's a video. Oh. Andrea. It's a video. No, you can go ahead. Just keep walking. Let's go talk to Chris, yeah? Oh. Can you help me? Stop it.
Right now?
No, it's okay. You don't have to help me. I'll come back later. What? What's this? Thank you. I'm such a creep. Alex, what are you drawing?
You become really tall.
Alex, here's your art skills. That's me and Irene and Alex. Wow, you look like a senior.